1, 2, 3, 4, 32. One, two, three, four. $76. $106. One, two, three, and up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Six. 9. 75. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80. 84. 92. 96.
Okay, now let's see, because I made many new assigns for these patches.
Sean, can you do me a favor? Okay?
Some of it sounded really cool, and I could see where you were still figuring it out.
It's the first time I use it. The first time I use it.
Yeah,
you heard the tape?
Yeah. The forever tale.
First time I use it on this environment.
Actually,
I'm recording everything.
Yeah, I know. Do you want me to stop?
Yes.
Hello. Today I will use the Boss SY-1000 for the first time for this show, and it's connected to make the control tool to send changes to the laptop, to change the pages, turning pages with just one of these pedals. And I have the Houghton Ampero 2 is connected to control the FX1 as an octaver in many cases, for example in this one. And I will explain later how I made this mini scene for this Boss SY-1000. And I will show you the structure of these assignments, the assigns for the controls. For example, on the first patch, I've made different controls, but everything on the same one. Let's see. Here I have tempo, the tab tempo. And here I have a boost for the volume for some lines. And on the microphone, because I only use the JK system, I don't use the sound from the guitar. So on this one I use delay level, and on this one I use the mic positions like this one, but simulated here in only two positions. It can be rear and front or rear and middle, just changing between two positions. And this is the patch level assigned for every patch.